shit, no man. Cut and go through, you don't know. It's a blessing to be alive. I'll slash you. Check it out. The rain is no different from my tears. When I look at what my people bear, I swear I'll never give up the fight and show no fear. And the sun is reflecting my heart and soul, and it's burning beyond control. My goal is to see to it the truth unfold. For every action there's a reaction. Whatever you do comes around in a fraction. Here comes vanity, the biggest destruction that takes away the true values of a black man. What if life was sweeter than a honeycomb, and we never had to work and bring money home? Then would you know what a life is worth? Would you know how the earth cycle works? That's why the rain is no different from my tears. When I look at what my people bear, I swear never give up the fight and show no fear. And the sun is reflecting my heart and soul, and it's burning beyond control. My goal is to see to it the truth unfold.
War is not the answer. Create love always. War is not the answer. Create your love always. War is not the answer. Create love always. War is not the answer. Spread out your love.
We got the victory torch up on the fire a scorch. Me at a mentality dropping insanity up on the government porch. How come you never abort the shipping of guns in a port, and make an economy pushing the side of me up in the jail and the court? Manufacturing arms, the market, the killing of man. Them say be all it can be in the military psychological plan. But when you back up a dog, in a corner the dog will bite. An infection induced by power abuse, bring truth to light.
War is not the answer. Create love always. War is not the answer. Create your love always. War is not the answer. Create love always. War is not the answer. Spread out your love.
Times are get hard, so hard, so hard. Through the money thing, people are move tricky. Times are get hard, so hard, so hard. Through the money thing, people hand get sticky. Yo, last week me go and store me buy a water for $1. I know me gonna get them, say them want 150. And if me no got the 50 cents, them not gonna give me. Oh Lord of mercy. Last week me buy gas for about 350, and now them said they want this week 390. And me boss man know him now raise me pay. Yo, you think it easy? Check this saga. Same time the boss man said things tight, and now in business now run to right. And he might have to cut some hours to save some money. Whoa, 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 whoa. He telling me, he giving me a heads up. In a 6 months he might have to close up. Yo, that news is messed up. What a saga.
The power of love. Caring for each other's what it's all about. I don't care what you believe in, as long as you can feel it. Together we can make it grow. The power of love, the strongest weapon of all times. Everybody has it, only a few will use it, but deep inside you can't refuse it. The power of love. Hey, brothers and sisters, let's become true defenders with the power of love. So remember this, as a man you have to take care of your family. Cause Babylon I try to demolish if you build it, but them no sir Rastafari them I deal with. Don't waste more time, go spread some love. It's the best example for our little youth. Cause our Our children need a stronger foundation, and we as builders need to deal with it and move on. Teach them the truth about the roots and the culture, and about the blessings we receive from other nations. From the Most High I extend this invitation for my brothers and my sisters who rely on. Make a move, don't be missing in action, cause only love can heal the situation. Please let's
stop all the war, cause the people them stay struggling. Watch how them go vibes you, like vampire them want bite you. Stop all the night, cause the youth them stay struggling. Gun them go vibes up, ammunition them go hyper. Them think them know life, but they really don't. This is how me tell them how to sit up on the throne, giving thanks and praises, yes, for the life that they living in, and the vibes they be giving in. They're far from home and they're all alone, and they're thinking about the Most High, He will carry them through. He will carry them through. Holding on to freedom, seeking out your faith, holding on to something, cause Jah took a hold of me. Holding on to freedom, seeking out your faith, holding on to something, cause Jah took a hold of me.
Jah bless the earth for I and I. So beautiful, so beautiful. All Jah creation full. These are loving needs for I and I. So beautiful, so beautiful. All Jah creation full. Ooh, sand and seashore, tropical islands. Stars bright at night resembling diamonds. Fullness of the Lord thereof, as it is below, well so above. And as the rain fall, trees rising, ever fertile Mother Earth she keep providing. As the tide go out and the tide come in, she dip on a revolution, access the spring, and feel her fire. Red hot volcano, water fire, falling a spring, summer or winter. Creation they are blooming a full splendor. Oh, Mother Earth they are for us to share. Oh, oh, oh. So stop the destruction, for the life for yet to come. Jah bless this earth for I and I. So beautiful, so beautiful. All Jah creation full. These are blessings for I and I.